Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my pretend baking show. If you're new here, my name is Sierra, and I'm a cake decorator here in Hawaii. In this video, I'm going to be decorating 4 different types of cookies. That's going to be a Trolls theme for a 4-year-old's birthday party. So a side note, it's so funny because I just spent like the last half an hour trying to come up with excuses not to wake up, and my husband was not buying it. It was, come on, let me just sleep for 5 more minutes. Actually, like I have like this knot in my shoulder, if you can just kind of massage it out. And we just had a good laugh and it was just, but here we are, so let's get going. But before we get into that, I would love it if you guys could hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. That way you're notified when I upload my next video. The first thing I'm gonna do is flood my cookie using royal icing, and I'm using a 15-second consistency for this icing. Alright, and now I'm going to paint the background of the cookie using a little bit of vodka, some gel food coloring from AmeriColor, and a fine tip paintbrush. Alright, now using royal icing, I have it in an outlining consistency. I'm going to pipe the birthday girl's name on the cookie. For this cookie, I'm going to use the alcohol and the yellow color to kind of do a calligraphy spelling out 4. Alright, and now I'm going to use the royal icing to trace over this 4 to make it look more of a calligraphy font. Alright guys, and that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. But thank you for watching and have a great day. God bless.